Hello and welcome. Today's lecture focuses on a rapidly evolving frontier that's transforming lives across the globe: artificial intelligence in healthcare. AI, once a concept limited to science fiction, is now a practical tool improving everything from diagnosis and treatment to hospital management and patient care. But how exactly is AI reshaping medicine? Let's begin with one of the most promising areas: medical diagnostics. Artificial intelligence is now being trained to detect diseases with remarkable accuracy. For example, in radiology, AI systems can analyze X-rays, CT scans, and MRIs to detect conditions such as lung cancer, bone fractures, and brain tumors. Google's DeepMind developed an AI model that can detect over 50 eye diseases with the accuracy of a world-leading doctor. Similarly, dermatology apps use AI to analyze skin lesions and flag potential cancers, enabling early detection from the comfort of a smartphone. Another major advancement is in predictive analytics. Healthcare providers are now using AI to predict patient risks based on historical data. Algorithms can assess the likelihood of hospital readmission, the onset of sepsis, or complications during surgery, all before symptoms arise. This helps doctors intervene earlier, leading to better outcomes and more efficient care. Let's talk about personalized medicine. AI enables healthcare to shift from a one-size-fits-all model to treatments tailored to the individual. By analyzing a patient's genetic makeup, lifestyle, and medical history, AI can help recommend the most effective therapies. This is particularly important in areas like oncology, where precision medicine can significantly improve survival rates. AI is also playing a critical role in drug discovery and development. Traditionally, developing a new drug takes 10 to 15 years and costs billions of dollars. AI accelerates this process by predicting how molecules will behave, identifying drug candidates, and optimizing clinical trials. In fact, during the COVID-19 pandemic, AI was instrumental in modeling protein structures and speeding up vaccine research. In clinical settings, AI improves workflow and decision-making. Smart scheduling tools optimize appointment times and resource allocation. Voice-to-text systems transcribe doctor-patient conversations in real time, reducing administrative burdens. Chatbots help with symptom checking, appointment booking, and post-operative care, improving patient engagement and accessibility. Despite these breakthroughs, it's important to address ethical and practical concerns. AI systems are only as good as the data they're trained on. If that data is biased or incomplete, it can lead to incorrect or unfair outcomes. This is particularly dangerous in healthcare, where a wrong decision can cost lives. Therefore, transparency, accountability, and human oversight are essential. Data privacy is another major concern. Patient data must be protected with the highest standards to ensure trust in AI systems. Clear regulations are needed to guide how AI is used, especially in sensitive environments like hospitals and clinics. It's also important to understand that AI is not replacing doctors. It's augmenting them. AI supports clinical decisions, but the human touch, empathy, ethics, and judgment remains irreplaceable. Let's also acknowledge that access to AI technology is still uneven. High-income countries have seen faster adoption, while many developing regions face infrastructure and resource barriers. Ensuring global equity in healthcare AI is a challenge we must solve together. So, what does the future hold? We can expect AI to become even more integrated into daily healthcare, monitoring chronic conditions through wearable devices, guiding robotic surgeries with extreme precision, and enabling virtual health assistants to provide 24/7 care. In conclusion, AI in healthcare is not just about innovation, it's about impact. saving lives, extending lifespans, and making care more humane, responsive, and intelligent. Thank you for joining this lecture. If you found this session valuable, consider exploring how AI is transforming other industries and what it means for our future as a society.